Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and now we'll be doing a quick love bite for you. Alright, so let's begin without further delay. And of course, you know these are general collective readings, right? Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. Okay. Sagittarius. Okay. Death in reverse. Either somebody doesn't want things to change between the two of you, but from the cards I'm seeing is somebody is having difficulty accepting change now, or they are unwilling to change their own behavior. I do have a Three of Cups in reverse, center of my spread, which is screaming not very happy times here, Sagittarius, in your love life. Maybe somebody feels that they wasted all this time, effort, years, energy, and that Ten of Cups never happened. Somebody's still hoping that the fight between the two of you would end because they're feeling the loss of love. Feeling there's a lot of stress going on because of the stagnancy which has happened. Sagittarius, let's see. I have a Hermit in reverse here. Hopefully this will make things better. But let me start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Saggis from another deck. Sagittarius and their person. And any of you looking for personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. One more. All right. Good to go, Saggis. We can start our reading now. The first card here says, I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone-cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. That's what I was feeling with the Star card in reverse. Somebody's feels there's no hope now, right? Spirit, why can't you give me the oh my god and wow readings? But I have to read what I see, right? Saggis, excuse me, and if this is not your story, please click off immediately. I always thought we would get together. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. I'm your not-so-secret admirer. I know that I'm always checking up on you. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. My ex and I are just friends. Alright, Sagittarius, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. But of course, we'll take an angel blessing card for you first. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, wise decisions. It's time to make some wise decisions for your own life, Sagittarius. What is going to serve you in the long run, right? The way I always make my decisions is I remove myself from the situation and I pretend I'm my best friend. So what advice would I give my best friend, like if I want them to, decide on something? So be a little objective and make some wise decisions for yourself and your future. That's what Spirit is saying. Alright, so Spirit, why is the Seven of Pentacles here in reverse? Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Seven of Pentacles, yeah. You guys could have had a fight, argument, some rash words. Maybe one person is feeling, my person always creates these bad fights just so they can win, and I'm left behind feeling I'm not worth it, or I'm always the loser, and I feel they don't invest in this connection properly at all. I've just wasted so much time, energy, effort just to be made to feel that I'm not good enough for them. I think one person was waiting for a long-term happiness or something which never happened. The stagnancy in this connection, the dream of having that happily ever after, well, it got destroyed by this Magician in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. This is a drama king, I would say. Somebody who, just creates ruckus, I would say. Magician in reverse is not the nicest energy. Somebody who's a clever person, who manipulates, who tricks people, creates drama, unnecessary drama, just to get what they want out of a situation. So then why is the Five of Wands in reverse now, Spirit? Five of Wands in reverse. One more. Even though I think this person is no longer putting in any work, somebody still has hope that one day things will heal or things will balance out, this fight will end and my person will return back to me. Even after suffering so much unrest from this person, there's somebody still who feels maybe one day, even though I don't see them putting in any work now, maybe in time, if I'm patient, this fight will end and there will be a return. But at the moment, I'm feeling somebody is feeling absolutely loveless. Ace of Cups in reverse, because nothing is on offer here, Sagittarius. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse. One more. Yeah, look at the sadness. Look at the sadness, regret, having lost time, feeling things just didn't go, the way they were supposed to. Maybe there was a third party situation. I don't know here, Sagittarius. I have the Three of Cups and I also see these three cups upturned here, right? So what's the Three of Cups, Spirit, for Sagittarius? One more. Even though things are stuck right now, Sagittarius, the person who's actually feeling the loss of this love is still seeing their person as the person of their dreams. This is my King of Wands. They're so handsome and they're so busy and they are so exciting, and still waiting for some clear communication from them, still waiting to know if things can still work out, I guess, even though nothing is moving here. Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. Star in reverse. Star in reverse. Yeah, somebody at the moment could be feeling their wishes are not coming true, but they just feel, well, it's just a delay. It's just a delay. Sooner or later, this situation will get unstuck. My intuition says that this is just a pause, but I have a feeling whoever's saying this to themselves is actually lying to themselves. The writing is on the wall here, Sagittarius, but somebody seems to be lying to themselves here. That if I wait long enough, if I am patient enough, all the while sitting here alone, crying, stressing, not being able to sleep well at night. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Pages. One more. Yes, see, Queen of Swords in reverse, Knight of Swords in reverse. This is like two people out to get each other's throat here. Very petty behavior. And maybe your communication between the two of you isn't right. Maybe you guys could have said some hurtful, mean things to each other, and one person is just going over and over. Well, if they said that, I said that too, and if I said that, they said that too. So somebody's, I think, still taking the blame on themselves. That did I maybe say something mean to them as well, and that's why the stagnancy has happened. Yeah, they feel this is just a pause, and sooner or later we're going to work things out. The heartbreak is going to heal, and I'll be able to come out of some. They're hoping this decision will be made sooner or later. This is just a pause. We are going to work things out, right? Hermit in reverse, Spirit. Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse, Spirit. Somebody, I don't know, Spirit just said make some wise decisions, right? And a hermit in reverse does not make the wisest decisions here. I think somebody is blocking of making that wise decision, hoping that in time their person is going to open up and maybe return. Okay, one person is unwilling to accept that this connection is not good for them, or it's not a wise decision to wait around. I think somebody still dreams of that one day that I will have this fertility, growth, abundance in my life. So it's time to make some wise decisions, Sagittarius. I don't know whether this is you or this is your person, and I'm sorry this was not a very happy love bite, but that's all I got for you. Hopefully it's not for all of you, but please leave a thumbs up to let me know how many it's resonating with. That would be really helpful. Thank you so much. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.